never been this rumbly before, Kimu. Whoa, it's so busy today.
Hi, Momolu. I'll be with you in just a moment. Everyone ordered all at once, and I'm scrambling to keep up.
Oh, let me help you.
You wouldn't mind?
I'm always happy to help. Put these panda paws to work.
Great. Follow me. Would you please wait tables and help my customers? First up, a lemony basil muffin for Heiko. It's his favorite.
This lemony basil muffin smells delicious.
It is delicious. Would you care to try some?
Oh, yes, please. My rumbly tummy couldn't thank you enough.
Now, let's see if we can find a fork and a plate for you. Well, I guess we don't need an extra plate.
That was delicious. I can see why it's your favorite.
Always happy to find someone who can appreciate a well-made muffin. Here, take my half as well.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
Nonsense! I'll order another one.
Thank you.
Orders up, Momolu. Momolu, order's ready.
Kimu's Cafe Helper at your service. What can I, Momolu, do for you?
Please deliver these muffins to Bonnie and Noonie while I finish the batter for the next batch.
Sure thing, Kimu. Oh, we're going to need another muffin for Heiko.
Really? That was his second one already.
I kinda ate it.
What if there's no treasure?
Pirates never give up. Arr! Treasure? That's it!
Kimu! Kimu!
What can I do for you?
I'm looking for treasure to bury.
Well, you definitely cannot bury zucchini bread.
I want to do something nice for my pirate friends, since they helped me rescue my kite.
They are very nice. They helped me pick up all the pasta.
I'll make the treasure out of pasta.
And I'll help.
Ooh, now they look like jewels. Ooh, do you have any string?
Uh-huh. Ooh. Perfect.
This is amazing pirate treasure. Now all we need is a map so our pirate friends can find it. A perfect treasure spot right under the tree.
Uh-huh.
Nice. Arr. Eep! Here comes the pirates.
We searched everywhere, but no pirate treasure. Huh? What's this? A treasure map! Woohoo! Yay! Okay, the map says take 2 big steps to the rock. Hup, hup, then 3 big steps to the tree. Huh, ha. According to the map, the treasure should be right. Found it! Treasure!
How can he hide me? How? How?
You're easy to find because of your white fur. You really stand out against the green grass, brown trees, orange pumpkins. You need some camouflage.
What's camouflage?
It's when you match yourself to the things around you so you blend in, and no one can see you, just like lizards.
But I don't see anything white around here to match my white fur.
We'll make you a costume so you can blend in.
A costume? I'm in. What kind should we make?
Ta-da!
I can see it now. Bonnie the pumpkin!
What are we waiting for?
Woo, woo, woo. Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah-da-da!
Uh-huh.
Woo! This is the best vegetable costume I've ever made. I can't wait to wear it myself.
Bye!
the pumpkin patch.
Noonie will never find me here because I look just like a pumpkin.
Okay, Noonie, you can start looking.
Aha! Aw. Aha! Huh? It's getting late, and I can't find Bonnie anywhere. I hope she's okay. Huh? I see you, Bonnie! You're a pumpkin!
Like I always say, how about we get a little creative?
Creative. Huh? I like creative.
If Momolu says it'll be creative, I know it'll be amazing.
Thanks, Kimu. Let's use stamps to make a masterpiece.
That sounds good.
I love stamps.
First, we'll need potatoes, carrots, and these cookie cutters. Then we push the cookie cutter into the potato, like this.
May I please use the cupcake-shaped cookie cutter? I like cupcakes.
Sure, Bonnie.
Oh! Can I use a star, please?
A star for our shooting star.
Woohoo!
A heart, the most perfect shape. I will make a carrot stamp.
Woohoo! Aha!
Now we paint.
Stamp, 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 stamp.
Stamp, stamp.
Amazing. It really is a masterpiece.
Coming. Please come in.
Wow, these colors make a bold statement.
Ooh, I love pink.
Welcome to my perfect, amazing cafe. Please have cupcakes and enjoy the beautiful art.
Kimu, your cafe makes me want to dance.
Your cafe looks perfect!
Thank you. I couldn't have done it without my friends. It came out so much better than I could have hoped for.
Yay! All we needed was a little contrast.
That's right, Momolu. And now, time for cupcakes.
Wow! Now you see it?
And now you don't.